color, black color, dark blue color. Let's draw the Peppa Pig. Thank you so much for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.